Struggles of a stay-at-home mom of two children or a toddler and a newborn baby. Well, I'm not just a stay-at-home mom, I'm also my daughter's hairstylist. And today is one of the most stressful days of my life because I have to make her hair and I also have to take care of the baby. In this video, you're going to just see the reality, all my reality. Trying to get this hair done and also taking care of my newborn baby because she really cried on this particular day. I don't know, but it is not easy for me, but I have to do it because I don't like it when my daughter's hair is messy. Well, anyways, we're doing a very simple hairstyle today. It's very simple 5 minutes hairstyle you can do if you're running late for church, if you're going to a party, anywhere. It looks just cute and simple. And the best part of this hair is that you can actually create this hairstyle at home by yourself as a mother. I struggled on this particular day, but it is what we mothers do. We often forget ourselves trying to show up for everybody for every single day, because for your children you have to show up, for your husband you have to show up, even for your family. I've learned something this few weeks. I've learned to remember myself. I've learned to do things for myself, things that would make me really happy and confident and happy with myself. Showing up for everybody. If anything happens to you, my dear, everybody is going to move on. In just few months, everybody will move on like nothing happened. So as a mother, always remember yourself and also do beautiful things for yourself. If you want to look good for yourself, not for anybody. So well, I don't have to explain much about this hairstyle because it is self-explanatory. You can just look or watch and be seeing what I'm doing and you will just understand it. Really easy hairstyle. And also this hairstyle lasted my daughter for 3 days. So it is really easy, and also it can also last for a bit. If you like this hairstyle and you would like me to create more of this, I would be glad. Comment section and I will do just that. And if you also want me to show you guys the kind of hairstyle that you can make that can last at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks, then I'll be also glad to do it. So I'm really struggling right now because my baby is crying so much. You can't hear it because I muted the voice from the video, but she was really crying and Olivia was telling me to go to the baby. I should leave and go to the baby, and I did just that. So she wasn't crying because she's hungry. She was crying because she was having stomach ache. I don't know for new mothers out there, but my children, I think they always have this stomach ache. With Olivia, she had it and it was really bad. And my baby also, my new baby Zina, she also has this stomach ache. She doesn't disturb us. Whenever the stomach ache comes, she'll start crying. I usually lay her down on her stomach, but I saw this particular video from Aproko doctor and he said that laying the baby down on their stomach is not really safe. And the suffering we mothers go through during this childbirth is not easy. For me to come and waste it like that, no, now. So it's better for me, for my baby to lie down like this and be crying than laying down in a way that the stomach will not disturb her and it will come and affect her or do anything to her. No, I wouldn't want that. So yeah, that aside, we are done with this hairstyle. I'm just holding it down, and after that I'm going to put the accessories that Olivia picked out that she wanted. She actually picked it out herself and she was really happy after I was done with the hairstyle, even though she really did not stay put for me to make this hairstyle. I had to put Coco Melon, or if you know that, this baby cartoons, I had to put it for her. One, if your child is like my baby Olivia that doesn't like sitting down so that you can make their hair, you can either give them their best snack, like the snack that they like or love the most, or you can put their best channel, and if you put it, they will just leave you to make the hair. They will act as if you're not there, even though sometimes they will shake their head in an uncomfortable position, but they will just sit put and allow you make. So guys, we are done with this hairstyle. It's really simple and fast and also easy to do. If you found this video helpful, please help me, give me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot. You can also leave a comment. I'll be glad to see your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.